Are you a crypto-curious beginner, standing at the digital crossroads, wondering which path to take into the wild world of cryptocurrency? Perhaps you've heard the buzz, seen the headlines, and are ready to dip your toes into decentralized finance, but the sheer number of platforms feels overwhelming. You've probably come across two big names, Acorns and Coinbase. One's known for making investing simple, almost effortless, while the other is a giant in the crypto space. So, the burning question is, for crypto beginners, which one is truly the best? It's a question I get asked a lot, and for good reason. Both platforms approach investing with different philosophies, and when it comes to crypto, those differences become even more pronounced. This isn't just about picking a platform, it's about choosing the right starting line for your crypto journey, one that aligns with your comfort level, your learning style, and ultimately, your financial goals. Let's break down exactly what we'll be covering today. First, we'll dive into the core offerings of each platform, focusing specifically on their crypto capabilities. Then, we'll talk about ease of use. How simple is it to get started, buy, sell, and manage your crypto? Fees are always a big one, so we'll do a deep dive into the costs associated with using both Acorns and Coinbase for your crypto ventures. Security, of course, is paramount when dealing with digital assets, so we'll compare their measures to keep your funds safe. Customer support is another key factor, especially for beginners who might have more questions. We'll also touch upon the variety of cryptocurrencies available and any unique features each platform brings to the table. Finally, we'll put it all together with clear recommendations, so you can make an informed decision and confidently step into the world of crypto. Alright, let's start with Acorns. For many, Acorns is synonymous with spare change investing. Their whole premise revolves around rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing that change automatically. It's brilliant for getting people into the habit of investing without feeling the pinch. But how does this translate to crypto? Acorns has embraced a more conservative approach to crypto. Instead of allowing you to directly buy and sell a wide array of individual cryptocurrencies, Acorns offers exposure to Bitcoin through a Bitcoin-linked exchange-traded fund, or ETF. Think of an ETF as a basket of investments. In this case, it's a fund that holds assets related to Bitcoin, rather than holding actual Bitcoin itself. This means you're investing in the performance of Bitcoin, but you're not directly owning the underlying cryptocurrency. You can allocate a small percentage of your diversified Acorns portfolio, typically up to 5%, towards this Bitcoin-linked ETF. The biggest pro here for beginners is simplicity and diversification. You don't need to understand crypto wallets, blockchain addresses, or complex trading strategies. Acorns integrates this Bitcoin exposure seamlessly into its existing automated investment portfolios. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach, perfect if you want a taste of crypto without the perceived volatility and complexity of direct ownership. It's also incredibly easy to get started. If you already have an Acorns account, it's just a matter of adjusting your portfolio settings. For true beginners, this low-friction entry point can be very appealing. Acorns is also known for its educational content around general investing, and this extends to some basic information about how their crypto offering works within their diversified strategy. However, this simplicity comes with significant limitations. The lack of direct crypto ownership means you can't actually use your Bitcoin for transactions, send it to other wallets, or participate in the broader decentralized finance ecosystem. You're limited to just one crypto asset, Bitcoin, and only indirectly. If you're looking to explore other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, or any of the thousands of altcoins out there, Acorns won't cut it. It also means you don't get the full experience of being a crypto holder, which, for some, is part of the appeal. Plus, while it's a Bitcoin-linked ETF, there can be tracking errors or differences in performance compared to holding actual Bitcoin directly. Now, let's pivot to Coinbase. Coinbase is, by many measures, the gateway to cryptocurrency for millions of people worldwide. It's a full-fledged cryptocurrency exchange, meaning it's a platform where you can directly buy, sell, and store a vast array of digital assets. For beginners, Coinbase offers a very user-friendly interface. When you first sign up, the main Coinbase app is designed for simplicity. You can easily buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide selection of other popular cryptocurrencies with just a few taps. It's intuitive, with clear prices and straightforward buying and selling options. They also have a more advanced platform, Coinbase Pro, for experienced traders, but for beginners, the standard Coinbase app is where you'll spend your time. Coinbase boasts an extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, hundreds, in fact. This is a huge advantage if you want to explore beyond just Bitcoin and diversify your crypto holdings directly. You have direct ownership of your crypto assets, meaning you can send them to other wallets, use them for transactions where accepted, or explore decentralized applications. Coinbase also provides a robust learning section called Coinbase Learn, where you can watch short educational videos and even earn small amounts of crypto by completing quizzes. This Learn and Earn feature is fantastic for genuinely educating yourself about different projects and earning a little crypto along the way. However, with greater flexibility comes a bit more complexity and potentially higher fees. While easy to use, you're directly responsible for understanding the assets you're buying. The fee structure on Coinbase can be a bit opaque for beginners. For simple buys and sells, they often charge a spread, a small markup built into the price, plus a separate transaction fee, which can add up, especially on smaller trades. While their fees have become more competitive over time, it's something to be aware of. Let's talk about the cold, hard cash fees. Acorns operates on a subscription model. For their basic personal plan, which includes the invest account where your Bitcoin-linked ETF would reside, you're looking at a monthly fee. This fee structure means that for very small investment amounts, the percentage of your portfolio eaten up by fees can be quite high. For instance, if you only have $100 invested, a few dollars a month can feel significant. As your portfolio grows, the monthly fee becomes a smaller percentage, making it more palatable. There are no direct trading fees for the Bitcoin-linked ETF, as it's part of your overall managed portfolio. The fee is for the service itself. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.